Welcome everybody, Ty Gaston here, Thursday, July 28th. We're just 6 days away from the first football game of the season. And so I'm going to put my VIP club out there for the NFL for $995 for the season. That's right. You get my NFL selections for the preseason and all the regular season all the way through the Super Bowl for $995. Pick up the phone, give me a call. 855 Ty Gaston. 855-894-2786, or you can email me, magiccostarica@aol.com. The entire NFL preseason and regular season, all the way through the Super Bowl, $995 in my VIP club. 855 Ty Gaston's the number, 855-894-2786, or email me, magiccostarica@aol.com. All right, Major League Baseball for Thursday, July 28th. Miami Marlins don't have a listed pitcher. Cincinnati has Ashcraft. Ashcraft is 130, totals 9.5. Cincinnati's 4-0 on the overs in Ashcraft's last 4 home games. Miami is 4-13 the last 17 meetings. Philadelphia has Wheeler. Pittsburgh has Thompson. Wheeler's 195, totals 7.5. Dodgers have Anderson. Colorado has Urena. Anderson's 215, totals 12. Chicago's got Steele. San Francisco has Wood. Wood's 145, totals 8. Chicago's 4-0 on the overs last 4 Thursday games. And San Francisco is 0-7 the last 7. That's right, San Francisco has lost 7 in a row. Tampa Bay has Yarbrough. Baltimore has Lyles. Lyles is 125, totals 9. Tampa Bay's 11-1 the last 12 against Baltimore's 0-9 the last 9 with a total of 6.5 or under. Kansas City has Singer. The Yankees have Talon. Talon's 235, totals 8.5. Detroit's got Alexander. Toronto's got Kikuchi. Kikuchi's 225, totals 9.5. Cleveland's got McKenzie. Boston's got Crawford. Cutter Crawford is a dog here. McKenzie's 120, totals 9. Cleveland's 4-0 on the unders the last 4 Thursdays. Seattle has Gilbert. Houston has Urquidy. Urquidy's 145, totals 8. Seattle's 4-0 the last 4 Thursdays. Houston 6-1 on the overs the last 7. When there's a total of 6.5 runs or less. Texas has Howard. The Angels have Ohtani. Ohtani is 230, total 7.5. Get my VIP club for the NFL for the entire season of the preseason of NFL games, plus the regular season, all the playoffs, including the Super Bowl, for just $995 in my VIP club. First game's in 6 days on August 4th, so pick up the phone, give me a call, 855 Ty Gaston, 855-894-2786, or email me magiccostarica@aol.com. Your free daily video play of the day is the Chicago Cubs with Steele as a 145 dog over San Francisco. Chicago's won 6 in a row. San Francisco's lost 7 in a row. Let's take the dog in this one. Play Chicago with Steele plus 145 over San Francisco. Be back on Friday with your next report. We'll see you then. Have a great day, everybody.